Calcium-rich foods. Looking for a quick calcium fix? Calcium is like the unsung hero of our bodies, quietly working behind the scenes to keep our bones strong, our muscles moving, and our hearts ticking. Turns out, getting your daily dose of this superhero mineral doesn't mean you have to stick to a boring routine. Let's embark on a tasty journey through everyday foods that pack a calcium punch, making your meals not just nutritious but downright delicious. Number 1. Figs. Figs take the crown among fruits when it comes to calcium content. A small serving can contribute 5% of your daily calcium needs. Dried figs, with their natural sweetness, are not just a delightful snack, but also a calcium-rich one. Keep a small pack in your bag for a quick pick-me-up during the day. Number 2. Yogurt. Whether you prefer it plain or flavored, yogurt is not only a probiotic delight, but also an excellent calcium source. Mix it with your favorite fruits for a tasty and nutritious snack. Number 3. Cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? Parmesan cheese takes the lead, but even the softer ones, like brie cheese, sneak in. A bit of calcium goodness. Just be mindful of portion sizes. Your taste buds will thank you. Number 4. Leafy greens. Remember when your mom told you to eat your greens? She was onto something. Collard greens, spinach, and kale aren't just rich in vitamins. They're calcium-packed greens that can be the star of your salads or stir-fries. Number 5. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are like the unsung heroes of the plant-based world. Besides being rich in fiber and protein, they come with a side of calcium. Time to embrace the bean way of life. Number 6. Amaranth. Say hello to the pseudo-cereal that's here to impress amaranth. Whether you're enjoying the seeds or the leaves, you're treating your body to a nutrient-packed meal with a side of calcium. Number 7. Almonds. Snack time just got healthier. Almonds, with their crunchy goodness, not only satisfy your cravings, but also contribute to your calcium intake. Keep a handful in your bag for a handy, healthy snack. Number 8. Sardines and canned salmon. Don't overlook the treasures of the sea. Sardines and canned salmon, with their edible bones, offer a double whammy of omega-3s and calcium. Perfect for a quick and nutritious lunch. Number 9. Whey protein. For the fitness enthusiasts out there, here's a reason to celebrate. Your favorite whey protein shake isn't just a muscle booster, it's also delivering a dose of calcium. Double win. Number 10. Seeds. Tiny but mighty. Seeds like poppy, sesame, celery, and chia aren't just flavor enhancers, they're calcium powerhouses. A spoonful of poppy seeds, or chia seeds sprinkled on your yogurt or salad, can give you that extra boost. Number 11. Fortified foods. Who said fortified foods are just for kids? Cereals, tortillas, and bread are now your secret allies in meeting your daily calcium needs. Breakfast just got a whole lot more interesting. Let's not forget the classic, good old milk. Whether you prefer it from a cow or a goat, a glass of milk not only provides a calcium boost, but also comes with a dose of protein and vitamins A and D. In a nutshell, making sure you get enough calcium doesn't have to be a chore. Watch out for vitamin D and magnesium deficiency, damage to the parathyroid glands, or an excess of sodium, as these factors can deplete your calcium levels. And there you have it. A feast of knowledge on the best calcium-rich foods. With these everyday foods, you can turn your meals into a delightful journey of taste and health. So, why not start today? Your bones will thank you. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more nutritious tips and tasty insights into the world of healthful living. Remember, your journey to a healthier lifestyle is a marathon, not a sprint. So, let's keep the conversation going. Drop your questions, thoughts, or your go-to nutritious recipes in the comments below. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you never miss a bite of our content. Share this video with friends and family because, hey, good health is always better when shared. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful adventure. Until next time, keep nourishing your body, mind, and soul. Stay healthy, stay happy,